Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Me and Colin were gonna go to a car show tonight, but it's kind of too cold.
Gorillas in the fucking scoop, finna pull up to the zoo. Oh nigga, who the fuck is you? I don't know, nigga. No,
Quaker steak and lube.
Blocks, we gon' blow, nigga. No, nigga, run for the pole, nigga. Hey, please, gas what I smoke, nigga. Feds in my dough, jump out the window, nigga. No, you can't get no money, you silly hoe. I just said a stain, Faneto.
Dang, bro, this is insane.
Me and Colin are on our way. I don't think you guys met Colin yet, but he'll probably be new from now on. He has a Volkswagen Jetta, if you guys can hear the turbo, and it's straight piped. But we're on our way to a car meet right now, just like the one. It's the exact same one from the last 2 videos ago, where it was like, this was like Tokyo Drift, but this one is supposed to be crazier, more people. The weather's not as nice, I'll admit that, but that won't stop anybody from coming out. But I'll see you guys there soon, and I'll record some clips on the way there. Swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa. It's like beat, bro. Type shit. Are you burning gas, oil, and coolant, all of the above, bro?
I'm burning electricity too.
Here it is, bro. This is where Harley started recording last video. But now it's me in the passenger seat. A BMW?
Fuck, I used to. And it blew up on me.
Surprise, surprise.
That's why you don't get no BMWs.
You don't pay when you go in. You have to like scan a QR code. I got a parking ticket last time we were here because I didn't know how to pay, so hopefully we can figure that out this time. How come your mom didn't want to come?
She wants to dash.
Just tell her to watch the vid.
Yeah, I will. She might pull up.
Hey, by the way, you're gonna get dizzy.
You see any QR codes? Oh.
Yeah, see. Pay by phone.
So we'll just pay like when we leave, right?
Yeah. That's what you're supposed to do. Respect all builds, bro.
Yeah, I know. It's not bad.
Driving an inline 4.
Hey, but you have a V6, bro. Don't say nothing about Daddy's V8.
Hey, bro, listen, dude.
They don't know about
It's
Daddy's.
coming in the future.
They don't know about Daddy's V8.
Not yet, bro. And I'm literally gonna spend more money on it anyhow. Dude, I've been teasing them the past like 6 videos. I swear I'll show you guys.
Hey, that's where our first introduced is.
peak, bro. But they don't know what V8.
They don't know what V8. Could be a 6.7.
6.7.
Could be a 9.3 Viper.
That's what it is.
Yep, that's what it is.
You guys got me.
9-liter Viper.
Yeah, last time, bro, these were all, like, not all, like, once you head up a little bit more, the bottom, like, 4 were filled. No, this area was all filled, because I remember a lady was watching me and Harley out there through her window. You dizzy yet?
Not yet. All I can smell is weed though. Hey, it's legal. It's legal in the state of Ohio.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. Alright, gotta get this.
That right, man?
BMW in the jacket? Oh, wait, no, that looks like a Lexus. Is that a Lexus?
I can't see it. It's a Beamer. Come on, bro.
What? That guy was just there. Where's my car?
Go around. Or just pull through. And we are back. And we are back, bro. One of the best spots in Columbus, dude. The best spot in Columbus for a car meet.
Show him the moon. Show him the moon.
The moon. You can barely see it, bro.
Say hi. Say hi to the moon, people. We're in Ohio.
Wait. Let me see your moon. I think in a few like weeks or months there's supposed to be a car meet over there on that bridge. Will you get your camera out of here, bro? Dang, bro. This is insane. Bro, Ohio's got it, bro. We got the spots. We got the spots. Bro, if you guys see down there, right here, there's a cop car and he's not letting anybody come in, so I think they're gonna kick us all out. Bro, it's literally just a peaceful car meet. No one has caused any troubles or anything. What do you think about this?
I think this is bullshit. And I should say, this is what happens when you let Biden run the country for 4 years.
bro, D Trump, bro, come in and let us do this, bro. This is what makes us happy, bro. All right, before we get forced to leave, let me show you some of the cars that are here, because there's some nice cars, and the meet hasn't even started yet. We got these Type R, Subi, the bikes, speed run. Alfa Romeo with a gap. That's what we've seen in the garage. It wasn't a Beamer. This is clean, bro. Got the Z. C7. So cops came.
Well, boys, we got kicked out.
Bro, we literally did nothing. Everybody was being super quiet, and then this cop comes up, get the fuck out, everybody get the fuck out. It's like, bro, we didn't even go straight. We didn't even do anything. Like, nobody, bro, no one was literally revving their engines or anything. We still have to pay, or else we're gonna get a $40 ticket fee like I did last time, and we were here for 2 seconds, bro. It's so annoying. Like, do cops have nothing better else to do, bro? Like, for real, dude. That's so annoying, bro. Alright, well, this video's not stopping here. We'll figure out something to do. Alright, so maybe this night is gonna end sooner than we thought. We talked, so we went down, we paid for the parking and stuff like that. We got out of there. $5 parking for 40 minutes being there. It's okay, it's whatever. But we went to, there was a cop sitting at, like, right outside of it, waiting for people to, like, do stupid stuff like burnouts or something. And well, we went up and talked to him, and we asked a stupid question. We were like, yo, so how do we get the Twin Peaks from here? Just to get like information or something, because the next meet was supposed to be like close to like that area, like in Polaris. And he goes, yeah, if I was you guys, I won't be heading that way, because I guess there's supposed to be another meet and cars are gonna be impounded and towed, whoever shows up there. So now we're heading to Quaker Steak to end the night. It's sad, you know, no one even did anything. I don't understand if there was like people doing takeover stuff, but there was no takeover stuff at all. You can't even do takeover stuff in a
Hey, Sean, there's a cop behind me.
in a parking thing. There's a cop behind you. Where?
Right, the lane right behind me. I can see the ambers above them. Tell them where we are, bro. We're at Quaker Steak and Lube, boys.
Yeah, we're not trying to get impounded, so we might swing back in a second, but not worth it, bro. Good meat though. Love that crew, but screw cops.